Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, let's fix the remote starter not working for phones or action cams. It's low battery. So let's get started. Step 1. Open up the cover on the battery tray. Depends on your remote starter that you can use different ways to open it. If it's a remote control without screws, then sliding it out of the tray may be the way to open, just like this. If it's a one with a screw designed, then we need a small screwdriver to get it opened like this. Step 2. Remove the battery the right way. Most of the times, you probably find out that your battery is quite tightly stuck on its own tray. One of the ways to remove it is to use a flat side tool and nail it out from its curving side like this. It's gonna be easier to loosen it out. Step 3. Replace a new battery in. Insert a new battery in the tray. Make sure it fits the tray and close the cover. Now, you can start to pair up this remote starter to your camera devices already. Hope this video fixed your remote starter not working problem. If your remote starter not working due to only zoom problem when trying to take photos, then check it out this video here to fix it. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next videos. Bye for now.